So, Michelle, thanks for talking to us. So, you had a couple of procedures done a little while ago.
I did.
What did you have done?
I had a facelift, a neck lift, an eye lift, and a lip lift.
Okay, and did you have them done over a period of time, or were they all done?
All in one day. I think it was like over a period of like 6 to 8 hours.
Okay. And why did you get this done?
So, like any woman, I wasn't kind of happy with my jawline was starting to sag and my neck was particularly bad. It was like I had 3 layers of a neck. And I found myself constantly in the mirror, lifting my face, moving my face, kind of my neck up and down, taking different pictures, selfies. And I really wasn't happy with it. So I kind of said to myself, look, I'm going to look into some procedures, like a neck lift.
So it was the neck lift that you're looking for?
Yeah.
And then why did you go then for the facelift?
I think a neck lift, you need a facelift with it.
Right.
As in the whole the whole hog together.
And how long was the recovery time?
The recovery, I was back to work after 2 weeks.
Very good. And
2
when
weeks.
did you start to see the benefits of it?
Like I was really, really swollen, like for a good few days, but I could still see the benefit.
Okay.
Which was like mad because like the day before I was all kind of sagging and looked older, and the next day after the surgery I could see already it had been lifted. So it was kind of on day 9 when I really saw the bandages come off and I really saw the difference overall.
Was it painful?
No, and loads of people say to me, oh, that must have been really, really painful. It actually wasn't. I had my painkillers, I had like antibiotics in case of infection, which thankfully I didn't get an infection. And pain, no. The swelling and the tightness was probably the worst. And at that, it wasn't horrific, but it was really, really tight, because I was so swollen. But that kind of left after maybe day 8, day 9. And then I really started to kind of, see the true benefits.
And where did you have it done?
I had it done with Dr. Cormac Joyce in Dublin.
So what were the most positives that you noticed after the recovery?
Well, how I looked. I got really vain. Like every mirror I passed, I was like, wow, this is, great. And that does sound very vain, but you're going to get vain, obviously, if you see an improvement. The compliments was definitely the biggest change. I went back to work after 2 weeks and like I had little or no bruising. And people were coming up saying, Jesus, you look amazing. What did you do? So nobody really knew like that I got a facelift or a neck lift or an eye lift or whatever. They were like, you look fantastic. And it was a lot of compliments. It was like,
That helped your confidence?
Oh, 100%, yeah. I even found like I was, off buying new clothes, more outfits. Whereas before that, like this has probably cost me more money because I was shopping more. Just felt brilliant. And then my daughter, who is 30, she has blonde hair as well. I noticed if we went somewhere and if I said, this is my daughter, there's no way she's your daughter. Did you have her when you were 14? And I'm like, no, it's my daughter. I thought it was your sister. Like, they're great compliments to get,
And can I be cheeky and ask you how old you are?
I am 55. Yeah.
What do you feel?
Oh, I feel 30.